Hello guys, today I'm going to show you how to solve multi-step equations. Just like the previous equations, we're just going to go ahead and start with this one. We're going to start with number 9. Now, whenever you're solving multi-step equations, first of all, you're going to have to make sure you move the variable to one side. Now, as you can see, this is going to be a level 2 type of problem. Now, the big thing here is that we have a variable on both sides. So what I would highly recommend is combine like terms first. So if you have variables on both sides, make sure you combine like terms. And I'm going to highlight which ones I'm going to be combining. I'm going to be combining the 5 and the 4. Now, this one's going to give me a negative 1n. And then everything else comes down. So we're still doing the line on my equal sign. Everything else comes down. So it's going to be 2n minus 15. All right, equals negative 1n. Now, I can see, well, at this point, you can do this problem whichever way you want to. I can move the n to the right, or I can move the n to the left. Now, usually whenever we write our answers, we usually tend to put the letter first. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to move this one to the other side because I want to make sure I have the n on the other side. So I'm going to go ahead and move it. So I'm going to cancel those two out. So this one's going to be plus 1n. Now over here, you're going to have a 0 now. So 0 equals 3n minus 15. Now at this point, this is just like a two-step equation. We're going to go ahead and move our number first. So plus 15 plus 15. And now let's go ahead and finish over here on the side. And this one's going to be 3n equals 15. Now my last step here is going to be dividing by 3 on both sides. Those two cancel out, so I have n is equal to 5. So that's the first type of problem that you're going to be dealing with. So first, combine like terms, and then start moving things to one side or the other. Now let's go ahead and do a level 3. Level 3 is going to be slightly different. Now, you're going to have what we call distribution, and then we're going to have variables on both sides. So there's going to be a lot of stuff going on. What's going on with this? Oh, okay, I see. Let's see. Okay, we're good there. No, let's go back. There we go. I was like, what the heck is going on? All right, so let's make this bigger. Let's go right into the problem. So right here, like same way that we did the other one, we're going to go ahead and start. I would honestly, on this one, just distribute first. And then see if I can combine anything. So I'm going to be distributing that negative. So they'll multiply those two together. So it's going to be a positive 15. And then multiply 3 with a 4, which is positive 12x over here. So we're done with the distribution. Now everything else we just bring down. Now again, I'm going to try and move my x's to the left. My numbers to the right. So I'm going to go ahead and do a minus 12 on both sides. Okay, minus 12x, minus 12x. That one cancels out. So what we're going to get here is going to be 15 equals negative. What would that be? That would be 1, 2, 3, 5 x. And then this is a 35. Now I'm going to move the 35 to the other side. So minus 35, minus 35. Those two. And that gives me what? Like 20. So finish it over here on the side. So now I have negative 5x is equal to negative 20. Now we divide both sides by negative 5. Okay, right here, those two cancel out. So I'm going to have x is equal. Now two negatives make it positive, so 4. There we go. So that's how we're going to be doing that one. Now we just added one extra step, which is the distribution. So that's it. That's how you're going to be working and solving multi-step equations. Now what I'm going to go ahead and do, I'm just going to go ahead and fast forward, showing you how to do all 8 problems here. All right, at the end of the video, you should be able to do the same steps. Now, if you're having trouble, just watch along and just copy everything.